severe thunderstorm warning in Rapides Parish for Alexandria, Oak Hill. Woodworth is not included in the severe thunderstorm warning, but if these storms still hold its strength, Woodworth would be in the path because the storms are moving towards the southeast. We still have the one for Vernon and Avoyelles as of now until at least 1:15 this afternoon. So still the main threats includes gusty winds and isolated hail. This was radar indicated rotation, and the hazard is a tornado with this one. So multiple lightning strikes across Pine Prairie, moving towards the northeast. You definitely want to take shelter. Plus of thunderstorms in Vernon Parish, even for our northern parishes, Natchitoches and Winfield. Now Beauregard through St. Landry, pretty much in the clear as of now, but storms will continue to drift further south. Breyanna's Bistro just came up with this not too long ago, but temperatures is more in the 60s, so might as well grab that special today, medium iced coffee. Temperatures slide into the upper 70s there, so overall a pretty nice day for high school football. Dew points into the upper 60s, so it is very humid for tonight's game. Kickoff is at 7, so if you are traveling, make sure to bring the water bottles and also that portable fan. I have mine on hand to stay cool for tonight's game. It's very nice for today. Take a dip in the pool or even throw a couple hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill. I don't know who loves ice cream more than me, but every day is a nice day for ice cream, especially with temperatures in the triple digits. The East Coast, they'll be dealing with a trough. They'll dip slightly towards the south, increasing rain chances, but unlikely to have that moving to our area. This system will bring in heavy rainfall, even mudslides for parts of Hispaniola. Unlikely to have any rainfall coming up with this disturbance, but we'll also be keeping an eye out for gusty winds. 110 here at AEX, so that broke the record of 106, and also we broke another record of the hottest temperature of all time at the airport, which was 109 from 1909. So it was a very hot day. Storms are due to a stalled boundary in South Louisiana that will continue to bring in heavy rainfall along the Gulf Coast. We still have a heat advisory as well until this evening. Heat index values up to 112, so I want to take all the safety precautions for today. We'll need multiple days of rainy conditions to help us at least improve that drought here in Louisiana, only up to at least a quarter of an inch or even half an inch in our western parishes. So we'll take any rain that we can get to help us out with the drought. Wind speeds are a little bit low, but still pose a threat for fire danger across St. Law. Multiple severe thunderstorm warnings here in St. Law. We had a report of ping pong size hail in Allen Parish with the multiple thunderstorm wind damage reports in St. Landry and even for Catahoula Parish. Now it is a Category 2 hurricane. It was a Category 4 hurricane yesterday, and that's due to this system moving into much cooler waters. We should just have a blowout party for the first day of fall because this summer it was not good to us.
Probably should expect some showers this afternoon.
Yes, most likely. It's hard to pinpoint where. It just would be scattered like popcorn across the radar. Our first tool is the free KALB weather app in the App Store, and you can receive weather notifications such as tornado warnings, tornado watches, or flash flood watches and warnings, etc. Tap the 3 lines in the top right, select settings and weather notifications, and you have multiple ones to choose from to get that alert to your phone. It's free, easy to use, and it's great information at your fingertips.
Saturday night, partly cloudy.
Another helpful tool is a NOAA weather radio. Any watches, warnings, or advisories will activate after setup. You can buy them at most electronic stores. Go to the website on the bottom of your screen to find out how to program your radio for your parish.
Becoming mostly cloudy.
The weather team used Facebook and Twitter for weather updates along with live updates from our OTT live desk. In a tornado warning, we are on Facebook Live, on air, providing you minute-by-minute updates on that warning until it is allowed to expire. The crawl system is used when weather alerts are issued by the National Weather Service and will scroll at the bottom until it expires. In any severe weather event here in St. Law, the weather team will provide updates before, during, and after that event that affects our area on air, online, and social media. We have Hurricane Lee, Invest 96L, and remnants of Franklin more so near Spain. But as far as Invest 96L, likely to become a tropical depression here coming up in the next several days, and most likely to become at least a tropical storm as well. But the big topic is Hurricane Lee, as of now, a Category 1 hurricane with sustained winds at 80 miles per hour. This will continue to track towards the west-northwest at 13. miles per hour. Now, it does strengthen to at least a major hurricane within the next day and remain a Category 4 hurricane for several days as it slides north of Puerto Rico, even Hispaniola. But as far as the steering of Hurricane Lee, is all dependent on that low pressure system across the Great Lakes. So if it's weak, it will most likely come closer to the East Coast. But if it remains strong for next Wednesday, it does steer more so towards the northeast around this Bermuda high. But here closer to home, no tropical activity affecting us here in Louisiana. Now, what we are expecting is a weak cool front. They'll bring in much dry conditions for this weekend and also a slight uptick in rain chances, but won't be expecting anything widespread for both Friday and Saturday. But temperatures will be a big topic as well today, closer to the record high of 104, that forecast high of 103 for here in Alexandria, as well as triple digits for the rest of Ceylon, upper 90s for our northeast parishes. Even for Opelousas and Bunkie in the upper 90s, borderline triple digits. But along with the hot temperatures and humid conditions, we have a heat advisory for the entire Ceylon area. Heat index values near 112 expected for today. Also a low end rain chance, only up to about 20%, and those rainfall totals mostly during the late afternoon into the evening hours, and rainfall amounts up to at least half an inch if we have any showers pop up across Ceylon for today. Now, it is a marginal risk for most of Ceylon for gusty winds embedded in some storms today, but we'll be remaining dry for this Thursday morning. Those rain chances more so around 5 p.m. into the 6 o'clock hour for this evening for the entire area, but quickly subsiding well before midnight and remaining dry through Friday morning, but rain chances back up again for Friday afternoon and the evening hours. That does continue through Saturday, all associated with that cool front. Lowest temperature is 94 for Saturday, and then we'll slowly warm up to the mid 90s by Monday, but overall rain chances only between 10 to 30% and overnight temperatures in the 60s.